In modern society, too many people are overstressed, overwhelmed, unhappy, and burned out. Chronic disease and poor mental health is wreaking havoc in our lives. But it doesn't have to be this way. Ayurveda, a powerful healing system from India, is as relevant today as it was in ancient times. This timeless wisdom provides a clear map of how to find balance, including the balance of the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. It guides us how to live in sync with the rhythm of the 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter, and fall. It inspires us to reunite to the power of nature as a way to fulfill our potential. Ayurveda addresses the uniqueness of each individual through the proper alchemy of food, herbs, lifestyle, yoga, breathing, meditation, body treatments, psychology, and much more. Are you ready to be inspired? Are you ready to be empowered? Are you ready to live a life of optimal health, vitality, and longevity?